Brandwatch Honest Review, watch before using. Brandwatch is a powerful social media listening and analytics platform designed for businesses, marketers, and organizations that need in-depth insights into online conversations. Its standout features include comprehensive sentiment analysis, trend identification, competitive benchmarking, and robust data visualization tools. With access to a vast dataset covering millions of sources, like social media platforms, forums, blogs, and news sites, Brandwatch enables you to track what people are saying about your brand, industry, or competitors in real time. It's particularly well suited for brands aiming to enhance their online reputation, measure campaign performance, or uncover market trends. Whether you're a social media manager, PR professional, or a data-driven strategist, Brandwatch offers the tools to make informed decisions backed by actionable insights. One of the platform's biggest strengths is its customizable dashboards and reporting tools. You can tailor these to highlight key metrics like audience sentiment, share of voice, and top-performing content. The AI-driven sentiment analysis is particularly impressive, offering nuanced interpretations of customer feedback. For instance, it goes beyond positive, neutral, and negative classifications to detect sarcasm and mixed emotions. The platform also excels in competitive analysis, allowing you to compare your brand's performance against industry benchmarks or specific competitors. Brandwatch's demographic insights and audience segmentation features help you understand who is engaging with your content and where to focus your marketing efforts. Its integration capabilities with tools like Slack, Google Analytics, and HubSpot further streamline workflows. The API access is another plus for teams looking to integrate Brandwatch data into custom dashboards or internal systems. However, it's not without drawbacks. The pricing can be prohibitive for smaller businesses or startups, as Brandwatch is primarily designed for enterprise-level use. Additionally, the learning curve is steep, and users might need dedicated training to fully utilize its capabilities. While the interface is sleek, navigating through the vast array of features can initially feel overwhelming. In conclusion, Brandwatch is a robust, data-rich platform ideal for organizations that prioritize detailed analytics and actionable insights over cost efficiency. If you're serious about social media listening and willing to invest the time and money to harness its potential, Brandwatch could be a game changer for your strategy. On the other hand, if your needs are basic or your budget is limited, you might find alternative platforms more suitable. This review should give you a clear picture of whether Brandwatch aligns with your goals. So make an informed decision before subscribing.